It wouldn't be a spring forecast without talking about 80 degrees and talking about snow.
Yeah, it's kind of funny to think of that. And not most of our viewers will not see any snow this weekend.
That's probably the headline there as well.
But it's interesting timing in that Saturday looks like a chilly and wet, damp day. But above about 2,500 feet or 3,000 feet in elevation, it may be close to freezing, and there could be some snowflakes.
Okay.
And on a late May weekend, a lot of people think of doing hiking.
Yeah.
So
a lot of people getting outside.
Yeah, as we go through the week, that'll be something to keep an eye on. An important reminder if you're thinking of hiking anytime. Checking the forecast, higher than the bases.
Right, where you're going at the mountain.
Yeah, even in the month of May. Here's a look at the headlines. A really nice evening for almost all of the state. The only exception will be Aroostook County, where there already are a few showers, and there may even be a rumble of thunder. One more warm day tomorrow, and then a cooler and damp pattern begins to take shape for the rest of the week. Here are the numbers now. Right around 80 degrees inland. Freiburg, the warm spot at 85. Just a little sea breeze along the coastline, but nothing that's all that strong. Downpours rolling through northern Aroostook County right now. This batch heads southeast, but there's another one back behind it that may produce some thunder this evening. Again, only over northern Maine. This front passes through northern Maine tomorrow, but the rest of us stay on the warm side of it and don't really get into the cool air until after tomorrow. So here's a look at the forecast starting at tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Our low temperatures this time of the year can be super early in the morning, like 5 a.m. So if you don't get out the door until 7 or 8 in the morning, it'll be warming quickly. Temps already getting into the upper 60s and lower 70s at that point. A cooler day in northern Maine tomorrow, and there could be a pop-up shower in northern or down east Maine. But the rest of us, it's sunshine and warm with the wind coming around to the northwest, 10 to 20 miles per hour. 83 the high in Wiscasset. Portsmouth, Sanford, the warm spots at 84. But cooler air begins to move into northern Maine. And that cooler air settles in for all of us tomorrow night into Thursday. Looks fairly quiet tomorrow night, but by Thursday morning, it's partly to mostly cloudy with scattered showers around. And Thursday is going to be quite chilly in northern Maine, while in southern Maine, we still get into the 60s with a chance for a pop-up shower in the afternoon. But much of the time on Thursday will be dry. But again, quite chilly up here. Only about 50 for the high in Caribou on Thursday. Close to 60 in Bangor, and then getting into the 60s over southern Maine on Thursday afternoon. Storm system pulls away that one heading into Friday. But the problem for the weekend is we have another one that comes straight down out of Canada, and there's a pocket of chilly air with it too. That's why we say aloft up in the higher elevations. The freezing level may be around like 2,500 or 3,000 feet this weekend. Whether or not this system still affects us into Sunday depends on how quickly it moves away, but there could still be a few showers that pop up even if it does move out. So Saturday, the weather day, Sunday, still a chance for showers, and there's plenty of warmth out there. It's just going to be displaced from the northeast. In fact, a huge ridge with another blocking pattern sends warmth all the way up into central Canada through the weekend. So we're just not in it this time. Poorly timed for the weekend. Seas tomorrow 3 to 5 feet. Southwest winds 10 to 15 knots on the water. So one more warm day tomorrow. Chance for some showers on Thursday and maybe some showers later Friday, but the morning on Friday looks okay. Chilly and wet on Saturday. High temperatures only in the 50s. A chance for some showers on Sunday, and then we'll try to warm back up a little bit early next week. So indoor plans on Saturday I think would be a good idea.
Okay.
All right.
We'll start planning now.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.